In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily mute and unmute yourself and others in a Zoom meeting. As we all know, Zoom has become an essential tool for virtual meetings and gatherings, and being able to control who is heard and when is a crucial skill for maintaining smooth communication. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about muting and unmuting yourself across all devices. If you're in a meeting, it's important to know how to quickly manage your own audio. On a desktop, whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, you can easily mute yourself by heading to the microphone icon located in the bottom left corner of your meeting toolbar. When you're muted, you'll notice a red slash over the microphone icon. This is your visual cue that your audio is off. To unmute, simply click that same icon, and the red slash will disappear, indicating that you're now audible to others in the meeting. For those who prefer a quicker approach, you can make use of keyboard shortcuts. If you're working on a Windows or Linux system, the combination Alt+A will toggle your mute status. Mac users can achieve the same functionality with Command+Shift+A. Remember, it's all about efficiency, and these shortcuts can save you a little bit of time and hassle in the middle of a meeting. Now, let's move on to how hosts can manage mute controls for participants. As the host, you have a bit more responsibility, but Zoom makes it straightforward. To start, click on the Participants option in your toolbar. This will open up a list of everyone in the meeting. If you want to mute someone, hover over their name. You have a few choices here. Mute them directly, send a request for them to unmute themselves, or even unmute them instantly, provided they have given you prior consent for this action. Sometimes, you may need to manage the audio of multiple participants at once, especially in larger meetings. In this case, you can use the Mute All button, which you'll find right at the bottom of the participants panel. This is a handy feature if there's too much background noise or if the meeting requires a more organized flow of conversation. For even more control, you can choose to uncheck the box that says, "Allow participants to unmute themselves." This means that only you, the host, can control when participants can speak, ensuring that no one interrupts unless you allow it. And there you have it. By mastering these muting and unmuting options in Zoom, you're well on your way to hosting clearer and more efficient meetings. With these tools, you can minimize disruptions and keep your virtual gatherings running smoothly. Thanks for joining today, and I hope these tips help you in your future Zoom endeavors.